Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about viewing the DNS cache content. So the DNS cache contains a list of remote server names as well as IP addresses that they would correspond to. So whenever you're accessing the web, there's going to be DNS lookups that occur, and these are used at Windows to help improve the performance of different applications on the web. And that's a pretty generic and brief summary, but that's generally what it will do. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about determining what are the contents of the DNS cache. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. You're going to go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. So now you're just going to type in ipconfig space /display DNS, exactly how it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig space /display DNS, hit enter on your keyboard. Okay, so you can see we have some history here. So the record name is a query that your DNS is searching for. Record type is the DNS protocol. The time to live, I believe, is how many seconds that the cache entry before it will expire or be removed. The data length is the amount of bytes that it's taking up. The section is the answer to the query, so it just says answer. And the CNAME record is the stands for the canonical name. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. I hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.